Welcome to 1 Hour Language. My name is 1HLanguage. Before joining your live online lessons, it's important to make sure that you have the correct equipment and a comfortable study setup ready. In this short introduction, we'll quickly go through the basic requirements needed for a smooth and successful online learning experience so that you can focus fully on enjoying the lessons and making steady progress. Let's take a look. For a comfortable and successful online learning experience, please make sure you have the following in place. Let's get started. For the best and most comfortable online lesson experience, it is recommended that you use a desktop or laptop computer so that you can enjoy the lesson clearly on a full screen. If you choose to use a mobile phone, please note that some information or lesson content may not be fully visible during the class. You will also need a camera that shows you clearly, a stable internet connection strong enough for a full lesson of approximately 1.5 hours. The demonstration lesson is usually around 60 minutes long. Here are some online class rules and guidelines. Recording of lessons is not permitted due to personal privacy regulations. Please, no smoking or eating during the class. Please do not use AI tools or apps during the lessons. The demo lesson is the full first lesson of the A1-A2 course. Please keep your camera on and remain visible throughout the lesson. Try to minimize unnecessary movement to avoid distractions. You may take notes, but keep your focus on the live lesson. Please avoid introducing unrelated words or phrases during the class to help keep the lesson clear and well-paced. While waiting for your turn to speak, please practice in your own space with your microphone muted. Remember, a calm, organized, and respectful class environment makes learning easier and more enjoyable for everyone.